In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, reliable test and choose a winner with confidence. Start by opening your email platform and heading to Campaigns. Then select Create Campaign. From the available campaign types, choose A/B test. Different platforms may label this as split test or multivariate, but the idea is the same. You'll compare versions of a single email to see which performs better. Next, create 2 or more versions of your email. You can test the subject line, the content inside the email, or the sender details. For the clearest results, change just one element at a time. For example, if you're testing subject lines, keep the email body and sender exactly the same for both versions. If you're testing content, use the same subject line and sender. And if you're testing sender name or address, keep everything else consistent. Make your variations meaningful but simple. Short versus descriptive subject lines, a different call to action in the content, or a more familiar sender name. Keep tracking links identical across versions so your click data is comparable. Now choose the contact list you want to send to. Use a clean, relevant list or segment so the results reflect your real audience. Then set the testing percentage. This defines how much of your list will receive the test versions before a winner is selected. A common approach is to send the test to a smaller portion, often 10 to 30%, split evenly between your versions. Larger lists can use a smaller percentage and still get reliable results, while smaller lists may need a higher percentage to gather enough data. The goal is to balance speed with statistical confidence. Finally, set the winning criteria. You can choose opens or clicks. If you're testing subject lines or sender details, opens are usually the best indicator of success because they reflect how compelling the email appears in the inbox. If you're testing content, layout, or calls to action, clicks are a stronger signal of engagement. Keep in mind that inbox privacy features can affect open tracking, so clicks often provide more dependable feedback when content is the focus. Once these settings are in place, your platform will run the test, measure performance based on your chosen criteria, and select the winning version to send to the remaining recipients. That's all there is to it: simple, structured, and data-driven.